Hi, this is Brandon with Android Device Tutorials. It's been a while since I've done my last video, but I just got my new Pixel 4, so I wanted to go ahead and unbox it. So, first thing I noticed when I got it, kind of cool, has nothing to do with the phone, but here to open it, there's just these little tabs. Instead of having to grab a knife to do it, and you just kind of grab it and peel it right off. So making it, opening it is easier. So you don't, start off frustrated before you ever even look at the thing. Just like normal, it's, as always, that's kind of how the boxes are pretty much the same. So it comes with, well, here, let's look at the phone first. Let's take the cover off. All right. The phone feels pretty good. It's kind of heavy actually though. Power, volume, kind of like an iPhone camera looks like. With the, you can see both cameras there. Nice looking phone overall. Kind of rounded bevel. The glass, there's no edge here, so it just kind of curves right over the side. The glass is full all the way to the edge, which is kind of cool. So, but anyway, let's see what we have in here. Alright. Obviously you have your pin in here to open up the SIM slot if you need it. I have Google Fi, so I don't need that, but it's there. Comes with Type-C cable. And then looks like a Type-C adapter. Yep, Type-C, so that if you need that for any old charging cables you have. And then the wall block. One thing this time that is disappointing is that it does not come with earbuds. I don't know what the strategic reasoning was behind that, except saving a few bucks by not having to package them. And most people, because they're usually a cheaper type of headphones, they're not like going to be the Pixel Buds, that they just didn't include them. Save that money, and they're hoping nobody cares, I suppose. Especially with the new Pixel Buds coming out here soon. But the phone itself it's a nice looking phone. Of course, I'm going to put it in a case so it doesn't get damaged, but overall it's nice looking phone, and it is definitely heavier than previous Pixels. Now, I kind of skipped the Pixel 3, so the 1 and the 2 are definitely light, but I kind of like the heavy feel. So anyway, the whole idea of that was just to show what's in the box, and there you have it. So thanks for watching.